The question of the day is, how can I tell if my condenser is plugged? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, a condenser is basically, it looks like a radiator and it's out in front of the radiator. And there's two ways you can have a restriction in a condenser. You can either have an external restriction which stops airflow from going over the outside of it, or you can have a restriction inside. Now either way, what happens is it drives the pressure up on the high side. So the only way you can really diagnose it and tell if you have a problem is with gauges and read the high side pressure readings. But on the outside, look for maybe a plastic bag, trash bag that's gotten on it, or a bunch of leaves or debris or things like that, and you can gently be careful. You don't want to damage the fins. You can clean that out. If it's restricted or plugged on the inside, it's probably from some sort of a failure, probably from the compressor, and it's got gunk and metal and things in it. And flushing them, the percentage of time that you can actually get them flushed is very low because the little tubes inside the condenser are very, very small. So the pressure will go really high. It can damage the compressor, and also the AC is not going to work real well. I hope this has been informational for you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.